Jangan lupa like, comment, share. Welcome to my channel, Sandro Jabrik, and now I have a guest from Hong Kong. Okay, you from Hong Kong?
Yes, yes, I am. Thank you
Yeah,
for inviting
from
me.
from Hong Kong, the guest, and this my special guest, and I want make this content full in English, not in
Wow,
Indonesian. Okay, so
wow, awesome.
I hope we can talk in English all the start until the finish. Okay, you can introduce what is your name and who you are and what are you doing in Hong Kong and everything about you is okay. You can start
Oh,
now, okay?
thank you. It's glad to be here. Thanks for inviting me to your awesome channel. And the founder of Comunitas YouTube Hong Kong is kind of wow for me because it's a big channel in Hong Kong. Yeah. Well, my name is Sana. I'm working in Hong Kong and I'm studying in Hong Kong as well. I was when from I was when from some university of Philippines in Hong Kong, and now I'm teaching English and working freelance and work other resources as well. So yeah, I'm finding opportunity with my bro wong, ngganteng, sakndunyo. Yeah, I'm going to learn how to have a good public speaking. So because I know that my public speaking is not as good as my bro, so I'm willing to learn.
No. Applause. Applause first for you. It's great. Study in university and work in Hong Kong. I think it's very nice. So good. So maybe
It's not as nice as your work now, because your work is to give other people benefit and my work is to give for myself benefit. I
no
really
no no no
appreciate
no no no.
your job now, you know.
You maybe you still not confident maybe, but I'm sure you can do it the same because you start maybe I don't know, but I know you start teaching the English language in the some like community. The name is BHSM. Yes, right. What is the community?
Yes,
B-
right. But I come here for my own. I don't ask permission for my community, so I guess it's not the right to discuss about the community. I read that.
yeah,
You know,
but
this very
but you
sensitive.
teaching in that community, okay? You teaching, okay? You
Yeah, yeah,
give the lesson, okay? This is right,
yeah, yeah.
okay? It's the fact, kan? It's the right, kan?
Yes, yes,
So
yes,
why
right,
why
right.
you why you hiding that? So
No,
that
I'm not hiding. I'm not hiding, but I come to your channel. I'm not asking for their permission for the leader of the community. So I've read that when I talk something,
why you so
the
afraid? No
community is
problem.
very sensitive, you know, bro.
I know who is the leader. I know who is the leader that community. I know who is the leader. And then when I have done talk with her some when I start make the YouTube YouTuber Hong Kong community, I'm talk
Mm-hmm.
with her some like 2 time maybe 3 time, but she's too busy. So You know the leader. Who is the leader? Leader is like that. It's
Leader always busy, yeah. Like
no,
you.
no, no, no,
Like you.
no, 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 no. I'm a
Anyway,
leader.
I do like to congratulation that you this forthcoming new class for public speaking, that I wish that will be grow break and spread all goodness to all our friends in Hong Kong.
Yeah, 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 yeah. But everybody can. I'm sure everybody can. And then I want to be the first, maybe. No, 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 the first, because public speaking have before have a class in the other community, but I want to give some different, and then my ability in the public speaking, I think, can be spread. So just a simple, I want to use useful for others. That is my
Wow.
my principle of the life. So if we can useful for the others, so that is, I think, you understand. In the Quran
Yeah.
say like that. If
Yes,
who is
yes,
the,
yes.
the best people is who can useful each other.
For
Yeah,
others.
so simple. Life is so simple, I think, like that. So I want
Yeah.
the in this content, I want to show to all, to my subscriber, or maybe to the world, we can talk with English in Hong Kong. And then you still, now maybe you is office hour, still office hour, and then you spend
Yeah.
your time to make a content like this, and be nice for me because you are the teacher of English language.
Oh, thank you.
So I want to ask you, why you want to give the lesson to the others in our that community about the English. Why you can tell me.
Why? Why? First, okay. First, I do like to learn a lot of language. Okay, I learn English. In my previous study, my major is not English, but in that university we fluently English. The subject is English. Everything is in English, and my passion also in language. But not only the English that I learn Arabic, I learn French, I learn Turkish, I learn Urdu, I learn a lot of things of language because I have curious about that. So, but if I pick one language, which one the best one? Of course, I the best one in Bahasa, and I also good in English. It's not that bad, but okay. And I want to give something like a good thing for others.
uh,
So, and I'm happy when other people learning about a new language, especially to improve themselves, maybe to teach their children or to teach when they come back home, they can make a good something good for their environment.
mm,
Yeah, that's my aim.
so simple to useful to be in environment if we want come back to Indonesia, like that.
Exactly, exactly,
Nice,
exactly. Yes,
nice.
yeah.
But maybe you have a dream, become a teacher in your past memory, or still
Oh
you
no, no, no,
time.
no. I have no any dream about teacher, and I have no passion to be teacher. I'm willing to be businesswoman.
Oh,
Yeah,
you your dream is you business, yeah, business women.
yeah, yeah, and other
So I want to ask
writer,
you,
writers.
for a second, I want to ask you, why we must learn in English? How is about your mind about the English? Why the people must be learn in English, our English language. So why? What is the important
Well, for
to
me,
learn?
okay, for me, there's two central language in the world. Okay,
Mhm. The first
first is
one.
English.
Okay.
Second is Arabic, because Arabic is our language as a Muslim
Mm-hmm.
person, as a Muslim people. So that's two language is the most important in the world should we learn. And then in this era is every people can talk each other. We can talk all over the world. We can make a friend from America, from Turkey, from Iraq, from
Mm-hmm.
other overseas friends. So I think the best language is English, because everybody will understand when we understand English.
Mm. So that's the reason you learn about English. Not
Yeah,
how about if we learn in English can be open the good opportunity because in the words can all is international language is English, okay? How about with
exactly.
the open of the opportunity? How about
Open
it?
opportunity.
Yeah,
What kind of open opportunity?
yeah.
I
You say
mean,
like
it's the
you say like a
job.
business. You like a business, ah? You tell me, and then your dream is business. So the business in the words, yeah, business in the world like export, like import, like buy something, blah blah blah, like that. Use
Yes, yes.
English, and then maybe we can find the job in outside country. So the language
Yeah, yes,
changes.
yes. Sure, 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 sure.
Include that, not
Yes,
only.
yes, of course. When English is kind of the door, when you open the door, you can enter to another world,
Uh,
like something
nice,
like
nice.
that.
This is nice sentences. The English is the door. If you can open the door, you can get everything. What you say?
You can you can enter to other world.
You can enter the other world. Okay, I can make a quotation with Anna Miriam. Say the English is the door. If you can open, you can enter the other world.
World.
Like that.
Yes,
Nice,
yes.
nice, nice.
Exactly, exactly.
Maybe I can make the title this title like that, by Anna.
That's nice.
Yeah, maybe if you language in French, or maybe you can speak in Japanese. Maybe I can show to my brother. My brother English is yes, so Spanish yes, Japanese
Wow, Spanish.
yes.
Spanish.
The
Wow.
last they are he learned about the French, maybe the last
French. Wow.
French, yeah, like that. So I
Wow.
if this content I show to the him, maybe he is interest to talk. And my brother is still not married. It's single. Maybe
Yeah, maybe your subscriber will.
you my brother's very clever. He graduate in PhD. I'm promote. I'm
PhD. Wow. Yeah,
PhD
which
in
major? Which major? Which major?
PhD in KU University. The major is what is informatic science.
Wow. Wow. Informatic.
Informatic science, and what is in Indonesia, one strata in what is the name, one strata graduate from uh, Bandung Institute of
And
Technology in strata
wow.
1, and strata 2 in KU, and strata 3 PhD postdoctoral in KU University. So
Wow.
now he lives
Amazing.
in Japan, in Yokohama.
He,
So
he
maybe,
he must be a very disciplined
oh yes,
um
yes,
a guy.
yes, he is very disciplined, very stick by rule, cannot right side, cannot left side, only straight like that. But I think it's different me and him. Okay,
So
let's
so
talk
you
talk next about
you and him just kind of like black and white.
yeah, like that, same like that. Because
Because you cannot on the track and
yeah,
you
yeah,
cannot follow by rule.
yeah. Not obey the rule. It's me. No obey the rule and then take the risk, and then the rule, everything to make what my point can I get like that. But I'm still know about God, about Allah Subhanahu wa Taala. So don't worry. Maybe simple one time, two time I can turn the life and then pick the road, the good road, and then turn the left, turn the right, can be, but small because the people is a combination of two, like a demon and then angel. So
Yes, yes, yes,
where
yes.
more speak. This is a right side in the good, and then the left side is not good. But how to be a balance? Okay, we let's talk again about the English in Hong Kong. How about if you learn in Hong Kong and then they are cannot give you the money or pay or everything, or about if like what is the name, some
Fee.
yeah, pay
No,
for
no, no.
lesson, only free or
Uh,
only free, why, and if free, why, you can explain.
well, when I'm teaching in community, it's free, okay? Because the community is under of some bank of Indonesia, okay?
Mm,
And that lesson is free, totally free.
mm,
It's no any cost,
mm,
and we not take any money from the learner. Yeah, but before I teaching in that community, I also built some learning center, but also is free. But because I was thinking that when we give lesson free, okay, there's zero cost. The
mm.
people cannot just they mostly of them take for granted.
Take for
They, granted.
ah
They not take serious in learning because I don't pay for that, it's free, so I can just relax and I don't do the homework, or I don't do uh what the teacher ask ask them, because it's free. And I was thinking, how if I take money from them and ask them to uh I mean just maybe pay for the book or pay for uh just simple thing, maybe, but not free, okay, maybe they will take serious. Is that true? When we give something free, okay, they think that is
not
not useful.
not
It's
useful and not important if we are
yes,
important.
exactly, exactly. So what do you think? Is that true? Why are you
uh
laughing?
yeah, if
True.
if you ask with me, in my life have some program like the project tanks in the life. I have so many in the life to be a project tanks. So if project tanks, I just want to spread what I can do, and then they are free to get or not. This I'm called like project tanks like that. But the reason why they are not concerned, because everything's about the free. So if we not use a free, so the mindset all the people is Indonesian people in Hong Kong, like sister work in Hong Kong. if we take the money for something, I think there are no one to learn. I think that is so simple reason. So I think you maybe make some lesson. You can package like interesting package, and must be concerned. Okay, we cannot have so many students, but I think you can be a focus to make their grow up, and then make their level low, and then medium, and then high. So we must try. So I'm try the public speaking, and I open in the 8th of July until the 11th of July until 8th August. I make a difference. But in community of YouTuber Hong Kong, I free. So who is want to come, and then come. If you want to go, and then go, no problem. But
But this coming public speaking is the first time it will continuing, right? That can be part 2, part 3, part 4, right?
yes, my purpose like that. So depend on the first generation. We can see if the first generation can chemistry can be collaborate in the chemistry in the next episode, like you maybe you can. I think you can try to make a content with the other people, not with me, with the other people, or maybe your student make to content with the YouTube in English. So if you make in YouTube, some YouTube and spread, and then you can show to everybody, oh, we can do like this, we can do it this, you know, with your group. I think small, but you consistent do it, I think can be grow up. And then public speaking,
Yeah.
public speaking, I want the next generation like 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. But the first one, I just look at one the generation, the one after parent.
You want to see the first generation.
Yeah, but I want make public speaking, make a content YouTube too. I am prepared about that. So I asked to the who is the start there, the next start the class, the first class, who is one to make a content. And then if one make operator, the arrange all everything, so maybe can put. So you maybe 7 people, 7 people make one content, maybe seven content 1 month, 7 1 week, can be
7 weeks.
can we upload in that group community of public speaking, can be in the private of the channel. No problem. I
Oh,
think two
I
can.
got it. I got it.
Yeah.
Mean
If,
you want to make a channel. You want to make a channel for the public speaking.
yeah.
Yeah,
So
is that true?
yeah. So
Yeah, that's nice. So it's kind of TEDx, you know. TEDx is public
yeah,
speaking.
yeah, 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 yeah. TEDx. Yes, right.
Right.
You understand about TEDx? Ha. My
Yeah,
brother,
yeah, yeah.
my brother asked me to make a part of TEDx before. We tell me
Wow.
about in Surabaya to find where is the office and everything in Jakarta. Yeah,
We can do in Admiralty, you know. Admiralty is nice place to make it public speaking. If you want to make a content, we can focus on that spot for the channel, okay, for the channel. I don't know your idea. Your idea is more awesome than my idea.
no, not like that. You just not. I think you very good thinking, but maybe you still find where is the group can be, what is can be explanation of it, can be you grow up more and more like that. if you have a group and then each other can the good in chemistry, I think you can be good a leader about that. I think it's so simple. And then now first we want start in public speaking, and then in the
Sure,
next
sure.
project, I think in next project, what in your mind you can tell about me, and then we action together, no problem. I think it's no problem, because
That's good.
for me, fa- fa- famous, too famous, me is too famous, no need to
Oh,
grow about that.
oh,
You know,
you know it, yeah.
yeah,
You know it, yeah,
yeah, yeah,
because you
yeah.
are
I'm
too famous.
overconfident, I'm very, very
Okay, okay, I'm
overconfident.
agree. I'm agree.
Yeah. And then I want
I'm
to
agree.
spread my confidences to other people. I want to make who is people close with me have a confidence very, very high. I want it. I want the build like that. So because if the confident grow up, maybe ability, or maybe mindset is can be repair one step by step, but the confidence must be the first.
Exactly,
some
exactly.
people some people so many insecure, don't trust
Yeah, yeah,
with themselves.
including me, including me.
So
Yeah, yeah. Even you have a lot of knowledge, but you got insecurity,
yeah, yeah.
kind of nothing. You
you
you don't get any opportunity if you have insecurity.
yeah, you before
Confidence
maybe
is everything, actually.
you look the content about insecure, about how to be confident, you can look the content YouTube 1% channel. The channel is 1% in Indonesian language. 1%. You can look.
Really,
Yeah, it's very good. So I
really.
want, yeah, yeah, yeah. If okay, I can open the share screen, and then you can see what is the tell about 1%. I think if you want to see in channel 1%, very, very
Oh, oh,
interesting.
I know. 1%. Oh, I know that.
Yeah,
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
this is just a
I know that.
learning.
I know that. Yes, yes.
It
I
is
know.
a
I know.
learning. This is a learning about what is.
1% is talking about psychology mostly, I guess.
Yeah, 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 yeah. You see,
Yeah,
1%.
they're talking about the confidence, talking
Yeah,
about the discipline, talking about
yeah, yeah, yeah,
consistency,
yeah.
talking about uh
Yeah, this content.
personal improvement.
Yeah, like this.
Yeah, like
You see?
pros uh like penundaannya.
Yeah, yeah, like that, like that, like that. You can see. Ah, wow, very good. Very good. This
Yeah,
content
yeah, yeah, yeah,
is
yeah,
very
yeah,
good.
yeah. I know.
I like this.
And he talking about the the method from Japan to call what is that? I forget.
Good. What is
How to be disciplined by
style?
people. Japanese people, yeah.
Oh, Japanese style. How the discipline in Japanese style. I'm
Yes, yes, yes.
I'm with my brother, talking about the Japanese soul, like Bushido or like samurai. Maybe if you see my content, you can look. I'm talking about that. Bushido. Bushido is
Bushido.
like passion. How can Japan can be good and then shine with the other, and then no, many kind of famous in Japan. Like if we throw the garbage in everywhere, make a people difficult, so that's not good. If we obey the rule, so everybody can be smooth, no problem. Can problem about we are doing like that. So that is Japanese. I don't know in English. Say I don't know. Because the too difficult to say. Japanese. In English, but
in
I try.
English.
Yeah, I'm trying. I'm trying. Okay, now I want to ask. Maybe it's different about we talking about your custom, about
My
your
custom?
style. Yeah, about your style. Use a hijab. Use only this can
Well,
see, and then I maybe you
it's
can
called veil.
what is name? What is name like that?
Veil.
Will.
Veil. Yes, veil.
Oh, will. What is
Yes.
will? What is spell?
V V
W. W
V E, not W, but V V.
or V?
Yeah, VEIL.
VL. Oh, yeah.
Veil.
You can explain. You can explain why you like that. Why you perform or your custom like that. It's okay. It's okay. You can explain that.
Yeah, sure, sure. Why not? Okay,
Yeah.
as a Muslim, okay, as a Muslim, yes, a Muslim. In Hadith, okay, in Hadith, this is not the mean is Sunnah. Okay, if you want to
Yeah.
wear, it's good. If you not, n- if you not want to wear, it's okay. That's it. That's also good as long as you cover your hair.
Mm-hmm.
When you come to Bali means mostly 9 years old up or 12 years old up.
Mm.
That's called Bali.
Just it.
Bali. Jadi dewasa gitu.
Yes, balik.
Ya
Teenage,
balik.
teenage, 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 and all.
Yeah,
Okay.
yeah. So actually, this one is sunnah. Okay,
Yeah.
it's not necessary.
Not
It's not
necessary. Yeah.
necessary to wear. So the necessary one is to cover the hair and the hand. Actually, the hand is only can this one show up, but we cannot wear like this, right? So can be both
Okay, can be
or
full hair. Okay.
yeah, some of the Muslim they will cover you something, yes,
Yeah.
to put until here to
Yeah.
cover, yeah. But because I'm working, I need to do a lot of things.
Yeah.
Actually, it's good. Okay, even if you want to cover, it's good.
Yeah.
If you just want to cover like this, also good.
Just
Yeah,
that.
yeah,
Just that. Maybe
yeah.
other purpose. Maybe.
Other purpose, uh, because I'm Muslim, so that's why I wear. It's nothing other purpose. It's not because of for my husband or for for man, something like that. And no.
Uh,
If I want to do, it's just because of Allah and the Sunnah, and I'm following
this.
what what the thing that I think is a good one for me and for others.
Good. Very good. Very good. Very good. Because you very what is in belief. Yeah. You very strong in belief.
Oh
Yeah.
no. I'm still learning. I'm
Oh,
still
still
learning.
learning. Not
Yeah, I'm
not
still learning.
good in belief. Not like that.
I'm trying to be good, but if you tell me that I'm good, I'm still learning. I also still have a lot of mistake. Yeah, I still
Yeah.
improving every day.
Okay. Nice.
Yeah.
So until when you can give a lesson about the free to your community or everybody, or I don't know what the next you want to do about the English maybe.
Well, I will go back to Indonesia next year on April, inshallah. So maybe physically, okay, in physically I cannot teach them, But if they want to learn by online, okay, I can teach them by online if they want.
Mm-hmm. So,
Yeah, because
mm, continue
yeah,
like that.
yeah. If they want to learn by online, I can teach them by online because I will go back home for good. I will go back to Indonesia for good on next year.
Mm.
Yeah.
Maybe you can choose all, not only the English language, maybe public speaking,
Arabic,
maybe Arabic and
public
everything.
public speaking.
Yeah.
Yeah, I was thinking to teach Arabic, okay, but
Oh.
uh, my time are difficult to manage my time because I have so many a lot of work.
Uh,
So
in where? In where? In Hong Kong or in Indonesia?
I
You
was
talking now?
thinking to teach. I was thinking,
Oh.
but now I focus on my work, my inshallah my next business, and I want to make some product for
Uh,
my
what?
business, and I want to focus on it, and I want to focus on learning public speaking. I really curious about the public speaking,
Yeah, yeah,
and
yeah.
the book is so awesome. Bro, when you laugh last week, when you laugh,
Yeah.
two of my students they interesting in your book, that
So,
the book you given me,
so,
and they asked me where do you get this book? I said, from you,
yeah.
and he opened the public speaking. If you want, okay, I will ask him to give you the book, but it's not free. And they, oh sure, why not? I'm okay with that, they said.
Maybe
But
better.
they said, okay, this month I cannot go for the public speaking because I'm busy. Maybe next month. Oh sure, you can part two.
Maybe you can learn first, and then the second you can open for their. I think this is very, very good. Better like that.
For
Not only
them.
go back to me. So because they are know you, they are, yeah, and then you can spread, and then you can try. Maybe two, three, four, five people,
Yeah,
five
yeah,
people.
I can help you. I can
Yeah.
help you.
No, no, no,
I can
no,
help
no, no, no,
for
no.
sure.
It's wrong. If you help me, it's wrong. I'm help you, not you help me. Okay. So you can open, and then I'm beside on you. Okay. No problem. No problem. After you have a very, very confident, and then I go. You can open. That is my
Your
purpose.
thinking,
That
your
is,
thinking is a leader. Yeah.
yeah,
You.
yeah, yeah, yeah. No, 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 like that.
I
Because
just watching you. I just
I'm,
watching you.
if you want teach her, they are your friend, and I don't know who is your group, everything, and the big group, small group, no problem. And then you can ask me. I want to make a class. Okay, what is the step? A, B, C, D, E, F, G. Okay, I give to you full, no problem. Because I'm very proud. The true leader is a make another leader. That's
Yes,
the
yes,
principle.
exactly. Yes,
Not
yes.
make a follower.
Yeah,
Not
yeah, yeah. I know.
leader,
I,
not make a follower, but the leader make other leaders.
yes,
Yeah, that
yes,
is my
exactly.
point. Same like in YouTube. If I can spread my knowledge about YouTube, so many of know about YouTube, and then they are spread. What is the pahala lah? I think you understand
Yes,
about pahala. Yeah, this is
the
continue.
river. Yeah.
Yeah, like that. That is the purpose. So don't worry about that. If have to, maybe to student the next episode for you, and then I can help you about the prepare about that. So no, I make a video, and then the public speaking. The first I make all a video. We do what, step by step. I make a video, and then you can show there. the video, especially you. Maybe you in the public speaking use it in English. Maybe in
Used in
other,
English.
yeah, in other use the Indonesian language, but maybe especially you use in English. So up to you. You can do and do, no problem. I'm very very proud about that. So I looking for that.
But if if you teach me, right? You teach me how to
Oh,
be
of
good
course,
public.
100%, 100%. Don't worry, 100%. I'm beside you until you finish 5 time we courses. We learn five meeting. After that, I'm still attention. Like a YouTube. I make a private class now 34. Now 34%, and then until now I'm still have
54.
I still teach there. I still share the new info, the new method, how to edit and everything. Still same in
Mm,
public speaking. I want to do like that. And then the
mm.
person, you make a class, and then the other make a class, and the other and make a class. I'm no need make a part two. You understand?
Understand?
I'm no need
Sure.
to make part two, part three, four. But if they are no have a chemistry, no have a patient, and still insecure, I'm still must be make a part two. You understand? Depend on the first class. If the first class can be make people very very confident, they are confident. Seven or six or seven people very very confident. I can support if they are to make a class, new class again, so they can be a leader. Okay, spread something. This is my purpose.
Wish you good luck. Wish you good
Yeah,
luck.
with you everything can be okay, and you can do
Sure.
too, public speaking. And then maybe you can first, if Arabic language or English language, you try make a content in YouTube. I think it's good. No problem if you cannot consistent. Maybe you still work. No problem. You try one content, two content, three content, four content as you can want.
What do you think? What do you think if I make a content that uh daily language in English or French or Arabic, and then but I mix with my product. My product is fashion. Okay, it's fashion.
Oh, no problem. Can,
Is that can
all
really?
can, all everything can start by YouTube. Maybe, but my passion, if you know want to make a business, I think this business can be go by learn. Maybe better than I suggest you make us you find the scholarship in Arabic,
This
or maybe
scholarship.
scholarship. Scholarship. You can school in other country like that, scholarship.
Scholarship.
Yes, yes, is what.
I find a scholarship.
Yeah, you must be fine. So many scholarship. Maybe in Indonesia too. I think teacher of Arabic, not too many, not
Yeah.
too many.
In some university of Indonesia, that the branch of some you know they're special in Sharia, but they speak 100% in Arabic, and they are Indonesian.
Good. I think you
Yeah.
when you start from your YouTube channel. I think if grow and big, so people can see you, and then hello, Anna, Miss Anna, yeah, can you come in my office? Blah 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 blah. If you know one like that, you can make your school by own self. I think it's a very good. No need to much student. Maybe one, two, three, but you doing continue. You doing again and again and again and again.
Yeah, I'm thinking to make a school in the future. Okay, this is my big vision. Okay,
No, no,
it's
no,
my
no.
big
Yeah, yeah.
vision. I want to have a school that's special in uh other language.
Hmm.
I have a friend from uh Iraq, from Iran, from Turkey, from
Very good.
America also. So I have a link for that.
Ah,
So I want to make a school in so many language.
very good. The start you can make a collaboration with they are in the YouTube content. The first step,
It's a
I think.
content.
Okay, nice, good. I think it's enough. We discuss about content. This content that you very nice.
Sure. Thank you for inviting me today.
Course, of course, of course. Maybe next we can make a content again. Maybe three with my brother, or maybe some who want to make. I think in full English person, the condition.
Maybe with your wife,
My
with
wife,
your beloved wife.
no, no, cannot speak very very clear. Like,
Cannot speak very, but she speak Cantonese very well.
yeah, 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 yeah. Cantonese is okay,
She
but
she can she can speak Cantonese with me, and I speak English with you.
because she has no have a time. Only work, 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 work.
It's nine. It's nine. I'm fine. It's nine.
Yeah, she has night wanna sleep. If no sleep, angry, anger, anger. Wow, 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 like that, like that. Because the tired. In Hong Kong,
Exactly.
in
Exactly.
Hong Kong,
Even me. Even me. If I'm tired, I also angry.
yeah. She has stay in Hong Kong about 18 years.
18 years.
Yeah,
Oh,
so very
I'm 12 years. How about you?
huh?
I'm 12 years.
Obvious. Ne,
12.
sorry.
12. 12 less.
12 years. 12 years. You
How about
12
you?
years in Hong Kong. So crazy. So crazy.
How about you?
But you have a family in Indonesia, like husband, child, or no? Yeah.
My husband is not from Indonesia.
Oh, where? Malaysia, UK.
No,
Very
not
good.
Malaysia. No, not
Oh, this
Malaysia.
is a
He's
private.
speaking English. He's speaking English. Yeah.
This is private. Cannot talk in here.
It's
Okay, so
very.
no problem. Okay, okay, okay. Very nice, very nice. Thank you, Miss Anna, the teacher. Thank
Oh,
you,
just
thank
Anna,
you
just Anna, just Anna,
for
not
your
Miss Anna.
coming in my content. Maybe next content we can talking about something good, something
Oh
nice.
yeah, sure. We
Um,
can we can make like Hong Kong food, Hong Kong halal food,
okay, okay.
or culture, culture of Hong Kong. There's
What you
still
want?
a lot.
What you want to talk is okay for me. What you want to talk, I is okay, no problem. Okay, nice.
Okay, sure.
Thank you very
Thank you
much,
for having me,
and
bro.
keep health,
Have
keep
a good day.
happy, and stay safe.
Thank
Wassalamualaikum
you.
warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Bye bye.
Waalaikumsalam, bro.